To swap tokens on MetaMask, you will need to have the MetaMask extension installed on your browser or the MetaMask mobile app. First, make sure you have a wallet set up and that you are logged in. If you do not have any tokens in your wallet, you will need to add some before you can swap them. To start the swapping process, click on the swap button, which is usually located on the main page of your MetaMask wallet. This will open up the swap interface, where you can select the token you want to swap from and the token you want to swap to. You can choose from a list of available tokens or search for a specific token by name or address. Once you have selected the tokens you want to swap, you will need to enter the amount of the token you want to swap from. You can enter the amount manually or use the max button to use your entire balance. The swap interface will then show you the estimated amount of the token you will receive after the swap, based on the current market price. Before you confirm the swap, make sure to review the transaction details carefully. Check the amount you are swapping, the amount you will receive, and the estimated gas fee. The gas fee is the fee you pay to the network to process your transaction, and it can vary depending on the network congestion. If everything looks correct, click the Confirm button to initiate the swap. Your wallet will then prompt you to confirm the transaction, and once you have confirmed it, the swap will be processed on the blockchain. Depending on the network congestion, this can take a few seconds or a few minutes. It is also important to note that swapping tokens on MetaMask can be done on different networks, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain. Make sure you are on the correct network before initiating the swap, as transactions on the wrong network can result in lost funds. In addition to the standard swap feature, MetaMask also offers an advanced swap feature that allows you to customize your swap settings. This includes setting a specific slippage tolerance, which determines how much the market price can move before the swap is cancelled. You can also set a deadline for the swap, which determines how long the swap is valid for. Overall, swapping tokens on MetaMask is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps and being mindful of the key concepts and best practices, you can safely and efficiently swap tokens on the MetaMask platform.